currently like 8:50-ish, and I am getting ready to go to a dress rehearsal for a dance performance that I have tomorrow. And I have to be there at 10, so I have an hour to finish getting ready. I'm very excited. We're doing the Nutcrackers. We decided to like merge it with like Disney characters, like Disney princesses, whatever. So I auditioned for the role of Princess Tiana because that's like my favorite Disney princess ever. So yeah, that's who I will be playing in this show. And also green is like my favorite color, so I was actually gonna do Little Mermaid, because if I would have did Little Mermaid, I could have kept my hair red. I probably could have gotten away with my hair being red. But yeah, I decided to do Princess Tiana. Today I have to be there from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. to watch the whole show.
Joy we once had. When we think we are doing nothing, we are doing something. Do the work as if the action itself is the destination. I receive. What you need, God already in life, even into the things you don't enjoy doing, because you understand it's all a part.
I'm just me right now. I'm like waiting to go on. Okay, so I got back home a few hours ago and I was just really tired. Like, I started watching My Life with the Walter Brothers. I actually like this. It's giving Cole. Cole is giving that, like. All I have to do tonight is my hair. I have to dye my hair, guys. I don't want to wait till tomorrow, because tomorrow I want to like blow dry it and straighten it. Or actually, I might blow dry tonight and straighten it tomorrow. And I still have to do my lashes and shave my eyebrows. Like, there's so much to do. I want to show you guys the dye that I bought. The box is like all broken up because I've had this for like a week. I bought it like a week ago and I just threw it in my closet. But I got this brand, the Dark and Lovely. Hopefully this works. And this, which I love, so I don't have to like put it in a bowl and mix it up myself. You have this, the Fade Resistant or something like that. Okay, you guys see it already like getting darker? So I just took a shower and it's like 9:30-ish. I'm really excited. I still have to do my makeup, like my lashes and my stage makeup. I might just do my base here, like at home. Yeah, I'm really excited. Really nervous, but really excited at the same time. first costume is on and my makeup is done, and so is my hair. Now I'm just waiting to go on, but I'm making TikToks and like taking pictures. So I'm very nervous right now, but I'm gonna like pray and all that. Yeah, so here's my second costume. It is, you guys have seen it already. Guys, we're doing an obstacle course today. Go ahead. Guys. Go, Jordan. You're doing so good. Go, Jordan. You got it, Jordan. What's wrong with Rayma? Oh. Hey guys, I'm in the trees. Try not to die. Pray for me. Hey, my sister over there. Stop recording me. Oh, they're flying low. Oh, yeah, help me please. My sister came back. We're on like our third obstacle course right now. We're doing the expert level because we're literally pros. No. We're waiting on.
This is actually a no because I'm scared.
She's still scared, but I'm not scared. I'm just like.
That's all I'm scared about. Like, I'll do the obstacle courses, but it's like how high I am. Back down. You can't pretend it's not happening. Oh! Don't walk away. Don't walk away. Yeah. She looks so confused.
I just woke up, if you can't tell. But thank you guys so much for watching. I have fun filming this week's video. I'm trying to be more consistent, but I give props to like YouTubers because that is like it's a lot of work, honestly. So I'm trying to be more consistent and create a more consistent schedule. I wish I had more like footage of me at my ballet competition, but I never got the footage, so what's up with that? I don't know. Once again, thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this week's video. Remember to take care of yourself, eat and drink and sleep. Eat and drink and sleep well. Unlike me, do better. You're gonna do better.